As I told you on my last video that we had CPI report on 13th of July. We are waiting for Federal Reserve meeting on 26th to 27th of July, the end of this month. Indicators are bullish currently on smaller time frames. I want to make you aware of what is coming next. Decision is on the hands of Federal Reserve, which we will be on 26th to 27th of July this month. Federal Reserve President Jim Bullard says he will be in favor of raising the policy interest rate by 75 basis points at the Federal Open Market Committee to be held on July 26 and July 27. The inflation rate for June in the U.S. surged by 9.1%, hitting a new 41-year high. Bullard, in an interview with Nikkei on Wednesday, said that although inflation has not peaked, he expects it to slow down in 2023 and he does not support raising the policy interest rate by 100 basis points for now. This made overall crypto market to act bullish from the day of then news to current. This news brought hype and buying pressure. Overall market is looking bearish at the moment. We can see we are getting ranging market for Bitcoin. If you don't understand what ranging market is, just listen this careful. A ranging market refers to a trade market segment in which prices fluctuate from high to low. It is also popularly known as a choppy, sideways, range-bound, or flat market. Ranging market can be defined as sellers are equal to buyers. This is the reason that sometimes we are getting a ranging market. If the prices are high, they form a resistance line that stops costs from going higher. If you decide to trade in a ranging market with support and resistance, the strategy is simple. Once you have marked your levels, whenever the price reaches resistance you want to look to sell, and whenever the price reaches support you want to buy. For this case, refer to Bitcoin resistance of 22,500 to 23,000. This is the biggest resistance for Bitcoin. And main support being 19,000 down to 17,000. When Bitcoin reach 19,000, that where there is main support and you're supposed to buy. And when Bitcoin reach 22,500 to 23,000 resistance, you're supposed to sell. This means Bitcoin is current facing great resistance of 22,500. That is where our 200 weekly moving is sitting. 200 weekly moving average is the biggest resistance now. If we clear 200 weekly moving average, Bitcoin will be bullish. Currently Bitcoin is in the ranging market, and if you want to trade ranging market, refer to an example of early minutes. Sometime ranging market can be a correction. Correction meaning is the same as ranging market to some extent, which define the same as choppy or sideways market. On daily time frame we saw that Bitcoin recovering from 19,000 to 22,500 currently, which is ranging market and can be referred as correction as well. We have only 8 days to go to Federal Reserve meeting on 26th to 27th. With this being the most catalyst to decide which way Bitcoin might go to the next new low or act bullish afterwise. At this time I'm recording this video, I'm still positive on ranging market or correction which are currently getting. It is hard for Bitcoin to break 22,500 to 23,000 level of resistance, and big traders and long-term investors understand this. There are many reasons why Bitcoin won't act bullish. Stay tuned for the next video, which I will talk about why Bitcoin will keep moving sideways or in a ranging market.